Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, remote trunk release, wheel covers, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power steering, reclining seats, side airbag system. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.